Are you thinking about buying church management software and considering FinishLine? Before making that decision, there are 12 key things you should know that could make or break your experience. This software might seem like a great option, but we'll compare it to others in the market to give you a better perspective on whether it's the right fit for your church. First off, FinishLine offers a decent range of features, but it falls short in some areas compared to other church management software. While it handles member management and event scheduling, its user interface isn't as intuitive as some competitors, like Planning Center. You may spend more time navigating the system rather than focusing on ministry work. Next thing, let's talk about customization. With FinishLine, customization options are limited. If your church requires specific workflows or branding features, you might find yourself restricted. Other software solutions, like Breeze, offer more flexibility in this department, letting you tailor the system to better fit your church's needs. The third thing you need to know is about integration. FinishLine works well with a few apps, but it doesn't integrate as widely as others, like ACS Technologies or ChurchTrack. If you rely on other systems for accounting, email marketing, or online giving, you may find integration with FinishLine more cumbersome. Next, let's dive into pricing. While FinishLine is affordable, it's priced similarly to other platforms with more robust features. If you're on a tight budget, platforms like Tithe.li offer similar functionality with more generous free plans, so make sure you're getting the value you expect for the cost. The fifth thing you should know is customer support. FinishLine offers customer support, but it can be slow to respond, especially compared to industry leaders like Rock RMS or ChurchSuite. If you need timely help, other options may serve you better with quicker response times and more support channels. Next, if you're looking for mobile functionality, FinishLine offers an app, but it's not as feature-rich as other software like Fellowship One or Church Teams. A more seamless mobile experience might be essential for your staff, so it's something to consider before choosing FinishLine. The seventh thing to consider is reporting. FinishLine does have reporting tools, but they're relatively basic compared to other platforms like Realm, which provide advanced reporting features. If detailed analytics are crucial for your church's operations, this could be a limiting factor. Next thing is scalability. FinishLine works fine for smaller churches, but as your congregation grows, it might struggle to keep up with more complex needs. Solutions like Church Community Builder or Planning Center are built to scale with your church, providing greater support as your ministry expands. The ninth thing to keep in mind is that FinishLine's online giving features aren't as robust as other platforms. If your church relies heavily on online giving, platforms like PushPay or Tithe.li have better features, including text-to-give options and more customization for donation forms. The 10th thing is ease of use. FinishLine's user experience isn't the most intuitive, which might require additional training for your team. Competitors like Breeze and ChurchTrack excel in simplicity, making them great options if you need something quick to set up and easy to use. Next, let's talk about security. FinishLine offers basic security features, but it might not be as robust as competitors, like ACS Technologies, which provide enterprise-level security for churches handling sensitive information. The 12th thing is that while FinishLine is a good option for smaller churches looking for basic functionality, it lacks many of the features that larger or more growing congregations may need. For churches looking for a more comprehensive, scalable solution, something like ChurchSuite might be a better option. All in all, FinishLine is a good option for churches with simpler needs, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive, customizable, and scalable solution, we recommend trying our top pick, which you can try for free. Check out the link below for more details.